won't believe the 2 ingredients that we use to make this delicious low-carb appetizer that burns fat. Join me in the kitchen. Preheat that oven to 350 degrees and grab a small casserole dish. Hence the word small. Now, I don't have Corningware. I wish I did. Let me know in the comment section if you still have some hands on your Corningware. Spray it with that great nonstick cooking spray. I always use coconut cooking spray, and it's odd because I don't really like the taste of coconut. I don't cook with coconut flour, but the cooking spray doesn't bother me. Got it at my local drug emporium because y'all know I'm not bougie on a bayou. I don't shop at fancy stores. I get in and get out. I got 2 kids, y'all. I got a middle school schedule now. The secret fat burning in here is the goat cheese. Now we want 8 ounces total. I decided to use 2 4-ounce logs. Why? Because I think it's pretty. I think it looks good. Goat cheese is a fat burner because it has something called MCT. This is something that cow's milk does not have. That means the MCT, medium chain triglyceride, keeps us fuller. So hey, we're not snacking. Hello, weight loss. Hello. Your refrigerator should be loaded with goat cheese. It also is full of probiotics and has something called A2 casein, which cow's milk don't have. And this makes it easy for folks to eat who are lactose intolerant, like my wonderful husband, who doesn't at all follow a lactose-free plan because he eats a ton of cheese and winds up not feeling good. But that's a whole other story. We're going to top this with a Good jelly. Now, Good jelly, this is an awesome product. It's keto, vegan, it's gluten-free, it's made with stevia and erythritol. I did find this at Drug Emporium. You may have to dig a little bit at your local supermarkets for this. It may be something you need to order, but it is absolutely amazing. We are spooning a cup of this over our gorgeous goat cheese. You can see how beautiful this dish is already looking. I love this. It is amazing. And hey, by the way, my name is Dietitian Shelly, and I specialize in making low carb recipes for weight loss and improving insulin resistance. So go ahead and like this channel and video and subscribe to this channel if you're looking for that. Pop it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, the question is what do I serve with this? Well, Fat Snax. This is a super cool cracker. It's 2 to 3 net carbs per serving. It's gluten-free, made with almond flour, coconut flour. I always buy mine at Drug Emporium, but it is at your local stores, like your Kroger, you know. Love this for the cracker. You can see how beautiful this dish is. This is perfect for any time, game day, holiday season, what have you not. And hey, if you were too busy laughing instead of taking notes, go ahead and scroll in the description box for that recipe. And while you're there, download your 7-day menu. And if you want to make a cracker instead, click over here for my video on keto crackers that burn fat. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.